Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively, without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1¼ cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches. I always keep this next to my husband's bed. It's a brilliant solution that really works, a simple trick that helps eliminate many problems. You only need 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper. Grind it in a pepper mill. Freshly ground pepper has a much stronger scent than pre-ground pepper. Then transfer the ground pepper into a bowl. Now sprinkle it around windows, doors, and even across the table surface. But the key spot is next to the bed. To make the effect last longer, use aluminum foil. Put the pepper inside, roll it up, and poke a few holes with a toothpick. This way, the aroma will slowly spread without making a mess. Place this little packet next to the bed. It also works great in a clothes closet. Soon, you'll understand why it works. Another effective method is mixing pepper with warm water. Just add some pepper to a container of warm water, let it sit for several hours, strain it, and pour it into a spray bottle. Let me explain the purpose. Black pepper has a strong scent that naturally repels insects. Mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bedbugs, and more. Also, if your neighbor's cat leaves a surprise in the garden, simply spray the spot. The pepper smell will keep it from coming back. Pepper is much more than just a soup seasoning. Just 1 drop in the garden, and all the pests will be gone. This homemade solution is truly effective. Gardeners highly recommend this method. Pests damage leaves and stems and create conditions for mold and fungus to grow. To prevent this, grab a tall container and pour in about 2 cups of warm water. Time for baking soda. It lowers the pH on leaf surfaces, making them less welcoming for parasites. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is granulated garlic. Its strong smell keeps many pests away. Add 1 teaspoon. Now for cinnamon, its powerful essential oils confuse pests and offer natural protection for your plants. Add ½ teaspoon. But we're not done yet. Add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. It forms a light protective layer on the leaves. Stir the mixture thoroughly. Then strain it through cheesecloth to remove any bits. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and apply it to the plant leaves, especially the undersides, where pests often hide. This natural spray will keep your garden pest-free for good. This is stronger than anything you've tried so far in the battle against powdery mildew. You'll eliminate the disease in just 1 day. I'll show you 2 mixtures you need to know. Start by preparing a larger jar. Add 3 tablespoons of garden sulfur. Sulfur acts as a disinfectant, inhibits spore development, and strengthens plant immunity. Pour in 33.8 ounces of water and mix well. The powder must dissolve. Transfer the solution to a sprayer and remember to dilute it with 169 ounces of clean water. Spray the leaves with this mixture. It's an effective protective barrier against powdery mildew. Regular spraying will stop the infection. But that's not all. You can also use this white powder. Baking soda has alkaline properties. It creates an environment where fungi can't survive. Add the baking soda to the sprayer. Dissolve 1.8 ounces of baking soda in 338 ounces of water. Use it the same way as the first mixture. With these 2 solutions, your plants will gain a natural shield against powdery mildew, and you'll strengthen your entire garden's immunity. This solution works throughout the whole season. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. The aphids disappeared after just 1 use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add half a tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. Just a few drops can completely transform your home. You'll notice the difference right away. It's a brilliant trick my neighbor accidentally discovered. Start by grabbing a tall container. Add 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. Its strong aroma and natural compounds make it perfect for this. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps eliminate bacteria and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of dish soap. The ratio matters. Dish soap acts as an emulsifier. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and toss in a few whole cloves. Their strong, spicy scent has both repelling and antiseptic properties. Now it's time to use it. Spray your kitchen counters, windowsills, table, or any other area. This simple mixture makes an incredibly effective insect spray. Its smell is unbearable for bugs. Just a few ingredients can make your home feel fresh and pest-free for a long time.